This guy think he can catch birds. You try to catch the bird? Nephew, let's go. You want to go feed him some more? Come on. Let's go back over there. Take some bread. Give your brother some. You got to throw it first. Alright, hold on. Let's go over there and throw it. Break it loose. Come on. We done got all the birds over here.
Throw it.
Let's get over there and throw it. You gotta make them come back. Throw it. They coming. Throw your bread.
Throw it. Throw it.
The little bird's coming now. Come on. Let's go. Let's go by the water. Danger, hazardous area. Keep out. You washing your hands? You okay? You want to say something to the camera?
Look at his bum.
How'd that happen?
I don't know.
What you got to say? What's your name?
Dominic.
Stop. Back up. Come back over here. Come on. Quit walking backwards and watch where you're going. Nephew, get over here. Come on.
Can I throw it?
Who?
Can I throw it?
Can you throw it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to throw some more. Come on, let's go over here where the rest of the birds at. Let's go by the water. Grab your brother's hand. Grab his hand. Come on. Look at the beautiful water. Yes, I can. Grab your brother's hand. Come on. Grab his hand. Look at these people out here at the lake. Come on. We about to eat somebody's barbecue. Come on. We about to eat somebody's barbecue. See what happened when you come to the lake?
Yeah,
We get to eat people's barbecue. Let's see what's on the grill. Oh, Scampi's on the grill. Would you like to say something to YouTube?
Oh, you got it on YouTube.
Me and my nephews feed the birds. How you doing?
Okay. Well, no, it's alright out here today.
Look at all the beautiful people. Oh, they got a slushy machine over there. We about to come back and get some Kool-Aid. Come on. Take care.
Alright, you take it easy, man.
Come on. This way. You want to catch a bird? We got to walk this way. Everything say keep off. We got to go where it's civilized at. Look at the sail over there. This is nature. Get away from the rocks. Come over here. Let's go.